In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 3W, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and mark System. At the top of the list you will notice Languages and Input, so click to open and pick Languages. And smoothly by selecting Add a Language, you can come along with all possible choices, so with all languages that you can apply to this ULEFONE. And let me pick, for example, Portuguese. Then select the region and slide it up to the first place in order to make it a default language of yours. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this is a default language in your Armor 3W and you can smoothly use it. And then whenever you would like to go back to English or maybe change language again, just pick languages one more time and you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on More icon, tap on Remove, mark unnecessary language and select Bin. Click on OK, and that's it. And this is how it works. This is how you can smoothly and easily manage languages in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.